Hey everyone, today we will show you how to export orders from your Shopify store to a CSV or Excel file. Exporting orders is useful for reporting, accounting, or keeping a backup of your sales data. Let's walk through how to download your order data. On the Shopify dashboard, go to Orders. Since there is no active plan in this account, we cannot see real orders here. So we will use draft orders as an example, since the interface works exactly the same way. All we need to do is select the orders we want to export, then click Export in the upper right corner. From there, we choose either a plain CSV or a CSV for Excel or numbers, depending on what we need. Then we click Export Draft Orders and wait for the file to download. Once it's done, we open the file on the computer to confirm it's the right one. As we can see, the file is there and ready to use. We can also check the file properties to confirm it's saved as a CSV file. And that's how we export orders from Shopify to a CSV or Excel file. Having this data in a file makes it much easier to analyze and manage the business.